Hi folks, I made a video called Ideas for Broadening Your Imagination When Painting, and I had an interesting comment from Doug, who wrote, "The thing that I found that made me loosen up is when I needed to change a reference photograph from a summer to a winter scene. I decided to experiment taking photos and changing the circumstances, a summer to a winter scene, a daylight scene to a sunset, etc. I started doing this to specifically practice, and it helped me to get away from the detail of the reference photograph and make it become the image I wanted." And there's some very interesting advice there, some good advice from Doug. I tried that last winter, I think. I took some photographs before the snow came, and then when I went to paint them, I thought, well, why don't I just pretend that the snow was there? And so that's how I did it, and I found that it come out a lot more interesting, really. Like Doug says, changing the reference photograph from a summer to a winter scene, it's great practice and a good way to develop your imagination. Daylight scene to a sunset, again, really good way of exercising the grey matter and getting you to really think hard and develop your paintings. Because as Doug said, it's all a way about sort of getting away from all the details within the reference photograph and creating your own impression of the scene, your interpretation, getting what's in your mind out onto the paper in the most expressive way you can think. That's the way I try and work anyway. So thanks for your comments, Doug, and if anyone else has got any ideas, thoughts or comments relating to that, just leave them below in the comments section. And until next time, thanks for watching. I'll see you again soon.